Hello everyone! Welcome to this quick walkthrough on how to add funds to your Prepay wallet in 1099 Online. In this video, we will show you the 2 ways you can add funds to your wallet. Let's get started. From the dashboard, click Add Funds. Alternatively, click the Wallet $ icon in the top right corner of the screen. A window will open where you can add funds to your wallet. Enter the amount you would like to add. If you're a new user, click Add Card and enter your payment card details. If you've already saved a card, simply select it from the list. Next, either select an existing billing address or add a new one. You can also choose to set the card and address as default. Review the amount and your payment details, then click Add Money. Once the transaction is complete, your updated wallet balance will be displayed under the Wallet $ icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can now use your prepaid balance in 1099 Online. That's it. You've successfully added funds to your Prepay wallet in 1099 Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 1099 Online videos.